Hello everyone, welcome to Tracy Creating. This video is just a brief one that I wanted to share something that I was a little bit creative with recently and really enjoyed the whole process. So I have picked up these white canvas shoes. These ones in particular were from Kmart. They were $10 and a perfect blank canvas to create upon. So I'm using these POSCA markers. They were all the bullet nib 5M. So the colours are in silver, light blue, which you can't read very well there, and blue. So I just chose each section as I went along and just did what I felt like in that area. So starting off with those dots, moving on to other things, and also in there trying to blend like some of the blue and the light blue together and using that silver as a bit of an accent color. And also just there is a side there which is just the silver and the light blue, and it's really light, so I did go in and add some blue stars in there as well. You'll see that in the end photo. I love that you can see the texture. It really does show that the POSCA markers sink into the fibers of the fabric, not just sit on top. Well, there they are, my dancing shoes. And I'm sure I'm going to create many different shoes for whatever occasion. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching.